What's good, all my germaphobes? This is Lyndon coming at you from Las Vegas. It's a lovely 102 degrees, and I'm not saying that sarcastically. It is truly beautiful out here, as is always the case in Southern Nevada. But nonetheless, I just came across a story, and it's very interesting, and I can't wait to share it with you. And this comes from ABC News out here, which is KTNB, Las Vegas. And this is off their website. It says the buffet at Wynn to open this week. First buffet on the Las Vegas Strip to reopen since the shutdown. Hoo-wee! Let's see where this takes us now with this COVID and the case count. That's what I'm interested to see. But if you're interested to know what they're doing, it says the Wynn says the buffet will reopen with a health and cleanliness program that includes physical distancing, touchless technologies, and both disposable single-use and QR code downloadable menus. Why do you need a menu at a buffet? Nonetheless, touchless is most likely the best way to go there. But what else are they doing? Well, they are requiring reservations, and they are also taking your money at the end of your meal rather than charging you before. So I'm interested to see how that plays out as well. So we have some changes coming up here, folks, in Las Vegas as we come to reopen. Check out germzbegone.com for more of your COVID-19 related news and reopening guidelines. Till then, y'all, peace and be well.
Like and subscribe to this channel.